FILMORA12 presents AI-based option, motion tracking. Let's see how to edit with FILMORA12. Very first, open the FILMORA12 and new project. Before the starting editing, go to File here and Project Setting. Choose Aspect Ratio, Resolution and Frame Rate. So I'll choose here 60 fps and press OK. This is the project media dashboard. For the import media files, double click over it and choose the folder. Okay, I choose it and this is my file and I'll choose this and press OK. This is the file. Simply click and drop it here timeline. Okay, I'll drop and simply stash it as you like. Okay, this time this video is too long, so I'll crop it. Okay, I'll choose and crop. Okay, delete and okay, let's see. Okay, it's look great. So here click the timeline video and here is the option AI tools. So go to down and here is the option motion tracking. Just enable it and the motion tracker has been activated. So set the location. I will go with light and set it very carefully, otherwise the tracker can't work properly. So I set it very carefully here and again go to motion tracking option and click here for start to motion track. Motion tracking has been completed. Now time to add text. You can choose from here also, but I will select some unique text effect. So I will go here and search callout. And this is perfect. So I drag and put it here on timeline along with footage. Now share the text with motion. You can change the text design, text size and text color also. Now this time we have to link the motion tracking and our text effect. For that, go to motion tracking and we can see link element. Now here choose name of our text effect, essential callout text and done. Now let's see preview how our motion tracking look like. It looks really nice. Let's make more attractive. For that, I'm going to add here FILMORA12 logo. Finally, it's time to export the video. All settings are done. Let's export and let's see how it is.